Good evening, everyone. We are Section 6, Group 2, and today we are excited to present our project for the subject Data Communication and Network. The title of our project is Designing and Implementing a Small Business Network. Before we begin, let me introduce the members of our team. I am Jugendra Murthy, Kavya C. Tamselvam, Leong Mingren, Muhammad Ashraf bin Anwar, Muhammad Haris Aidil bin Muhammad Rosli, Muhammad Anas Azamuddin bin Elias. This project focuses on creating a secure and reliable network that supports the daily operation of the company. Specifically, the network will accommodate 15 workstations, both wired and wireless, and will include a file and print server, a network printer, a guest Wi-Fi, internet access, and a VoIP phone system. The main goal of this setup is to ensure smooth communication, secure data sharing, and efficient resource usage throughout the organization. By the end of this project, creative design will have a well-structured network that supports both current needs and future growth.
First thing first, for our phase one, this is the network design. First of all, we have around 16 wired PCs and also 5 wireless PC or laptop. On my right side, we have the stuff, and then on my left side, we have the for the guest section. Uh, we have 3 routers, 2 switches, 1 printer, 1 server, and also 1 cloud or internet. We also have 2 VoIP. This is all our IP address and also the VLAN. We have uh, PC1 to PC13 for the staff, which is in VLAN 10, and also PC14 to PC16 for the guest, which is VLAN 20. We also have laptop 1, laptop 2, server, and also printer for the staff, and also laptop 3, 4, and 5 for the guests, or in the VLAN 20. Next, we have one main switch which connects most of the wired PCs, printer, server, and their IP phones or VoIP connected to a wireless router and to another switch. The wireless network for the left side wireless router connects to 2 laptops, laptop 1 and laptop 2. Right side, the right side wireless network is for the wireless router that connects to 3 laptops, which is laptop 3, 4, and 5 via switch 2. Next, we have the server and the printer. The server one and the printer are connected directly to the main switch, likely for shared access for the staff. And then we have the VoIP or the IP phones, VLAN 30 blocks that contains 2 IP phones, phone 1 and phone 2, which connected to the switch, which is high likely configure with VLAN 30 for voice communication. And lastly, we have the router and the internet at the top. Now, I would like to present our second phase, which is for the network implementation. We choose the hybrid topology type because this is based on the star topology. The reason why we choose this is number one, the star topology is used as the foundation because it offers a centralized structure, making it easier to manage, troubleshoot, and scale. Furthermore, each device is connected directly to a central switch, ensuring efficient communication and reducing the risk of a single point of failure affecting the entire network. And then the design also support wired and wireless connection, VoIP communication, and internet access across multiple zones in the organization. Lastly, this topology is highly flexible, cost efficient, and aligned well with small business networking needs. Next, we have our router configuration and then our cloud configuration. We also set our default route to internet, which is IP route 0.0.0.0. And also we enable the NAT, which stands for Network Address Translation. This is our configuration LAN interface for each of the subnet or VLAN. Next up, we have our switch configuration, and also we assign the port to the appropriate VLANs, and this is for our switch one. And then lastly, this is for our wireless router. The first one is for the staff, and then the second one is for the guests.
In this phase 2 network implementation, we can see that laptop 1 and laptop 2 already connected and see the result. As we can see in the laptop 1 information desktop, you can see that it's already connected into the switch. And also with the laptop 2, it's already successful connected to the access point. Next, for this server configuration, you can see the server configuration in the desktop information. For this server 1, IP configuration already being set and also the subnet mask and the default gateway. All this IP address used to link all the device to the server. Other than that, we also can see the services of the server. Moving on to the workstation and printer configuration. In this segment, we show the staff workstation. In VLAN 10, IP configuration has been assigned via DHCP or static IP. Other than that, the gateway also is being set. In addition, connection between the devices is Ethernet cable switch for fast Ethernet 02 to the fast Ethernet 04. This one cable connection for HPC and laptop. Other than that, it also have access right to access shared file and print the service from the server and printer. Next, for the workstation and printer configuration, we also have Quest workstation. In VLAN 20, is being signed the IP configuration via DHCP with there are certain IP configuration. Other than that, the gateway also being signed, and the connection via devices is via Ethernet cable to switch port from fast Ethernet 05 to fast Ethernet 06. This cable connection for each PCs and laptop. Other than that, it also have access right limited to internet access only. Cannot access internal server or printer and fast via ACL. Furthermore, for this printer, it shows the screenshot of the printer configuration. It shows that printer configuration in fast Ethernet 0 as being configured with certain IP address and subnet mask. It also being set into the static IP configuration. Other than that, for the VoIP phones, it shows the configuration 1 on switch 1 in fast Ethernet 014, which is it shows the mod access of the configuration in switch 1. Other than that, it also have a configuration on switch 2 with fast Ethernet 04. It shows the config with the mod access and also the VLAN 30. The third one is the DHCP for VLAN 30, which is VoIP on the router. It shows the being set by the network, default router, and DNS server, and also being set with a certain condition.
So next is phase 3, which is network testing and verification. So in this part, we have done 4 types of testing, which is connectivity testing, VLAN verification, VoIP testing, and performance testing, which is optional. So for the first part, we have done the connectivity testing, which is ping between all devices, which is workstation, server, printer, and VoIP phones. So after done the we have successfully pinged 192.168.10.113 and confirming stable network connectivity with 0% packet loss and fast response time. These are the screenshot of our testing. And we also tested the PC to the laptop in the same VLAN, which is staff VLAN 10. And next we have tested the internet access from different workstation. We have tested from the staff and it was success. So next testing is VLAN verification. VLAN functionality. Verify that the workstation in the staff VLAN can access the server and printer. And also VLAN verify that workstations in the guest VLAN have internet access but are isolated from staff network and the server. So VLAN operates as expected. VLAN 10 staff had full access to internal resources, which is server, printer, and internet for the staff. And for VLAN 20, which is guest, had access to the internet only, confirm via failed ping attempt to internal IPs from guest VLAN. And next we have VLAN 30 VIP phone was isolated and dedicated to voice communication.
As we can see, this slide shows the VLAN functionality testing. Here, both laptop 3 and laptop 4 try to ping, but all requires timeout with 100% packet loss. This result is expected because the laptop are in different VLANs, which isolate network traffic. So this confirms that our VLAN's configuration is correctly preventing communication between separate VLANs. Next, VoIP testing and performance testing. Two Cisco IP phones 7960 units were configured. Both phones were assigned to VLAN 30 and received IP address via DHCP. Internal tests called between VoIP1 and VoIP2 were complete successfully. Audio transmission was clear and there were no packet loss. So the next is performance testing to test performance. The large file transfer from server to start PC1 and laptop 1 were conducted. File transfer times were within acceptable limit with not noticeable delay. Bandwidth usage was monitored and did not saturate during the test. In conclusion, the network for creative design was successfully designed and implemented to meet all business requirements, including support for wireless workstation, server, printer, and VoIP phone with a VLAN segmented environment. So key features like inter-VLAN routing, SCL, NAT, WPA2, Wi-Fi, and gas isolation were tested and functioned correctly. The staff topology ensure reliability and scalability. All test passed and issues were resolved efficiently. Future improvements include network monitoring, configuration, backup, and redundancy. The project demonstrates a secure, robust, and scalable network aligned with industry standards. That's all from our project presentation. Thank you so much.